The tech side of funnels can feel overwhelming, but the truth is you only need a super simple setup to get started. With a drag and drop builder like System.io, you can launch with just two pages, a landing page and a thank you page. A lot of people assume funnels require complicated tools or hours of design work, but that's not the case here. In System.io, you can literally drag and drop the basics together. Start with a landing page where people can sign up, then send them a thank you page after they enter their email. That's all you need to start collecting leads. Once those two pages are live, you can test your idea, grow your email list, and begin sending content. The best part? You avoid tech overwhelm and still have a working funnel up and running in no time. If you want to speed things up even more, the AI Faceless List Builder includes a 7-day faceless funnel activation checklist, showing step by step how to get your funnel running using free tools. For less than $20, you can get the AI Faceless List Builder and the checklist that makes launching your first faceless funnel a breeze. Check the link in the description to get started today.